For the price I paid, I personally think this is 100% worth it. Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. In this video we will be looking at a recent purchase of mine, which is the Nike ACG 4th Horseman Puffer Jacket.
Winter is coming.
Nike ACG is a hiking inspired sub-label by Nike. The ACG stands for All Conditions Gear, which focuses on how the products are built for different kinds of explorers. There is a great deal of attention paid to their products, making sure users get the most out of their gear which they purchase. In this case, it is the 4th Horseman Puffer Jacket. This jacket is designed to keep the heat in and harsh weather conditions out. Featured on this jacket is seam-sealed woven fabric, which is waterproof and breathable. Inside the jacket is Primaloft. These are tiny fibers that create pockets of air which hold onto warmth whilst letting moisture escape. In other words, you remain warm even when it is wet. The jacket also comes with 2 zipped hand pockets on the outside, as well as 2 mesh pockets on the inside, so there's a decent amount of storage. Attached to the jacket is a carabiner, which also allows you to clip things to the jacket like keys or a cap. For the hood, it is an insulated 3-piece hood. It provides warmth and coverage. Finally, the drop tail hem on the jacket provides extra coverage on the body, keeping you warm on them cold days. We will now go into sizing, the price I paid for this jacket, and I will end the video with my final thoughts on the Nike ACG 4th Horseman Puffer Jacket. When it comes to sizing of this puffer jacket, I went down a size. For jackets I'm usually a size XL, but with this jacket being quite big, I knew going down a size would still be fine and it would give me more of a regular fit. So if you want more of a regular fit like myself, then I recommend going down a size. So this is definitely not a cheap jacket. The original retail price is between £480 and £520 depending on where you look. I, however, was able to find mine on sale at Sneakers and Stuff for £257, which is a wonderful 50% off. So if there's one thing you learn from this video, let it be that shopping for clothes out of season is your best bet, because more time you'll find items on sale, which is always better for the pockets. Overall, I am very happy with this purchase, and for the price I paid, I know I'll be enjoying this jacket a lot. It definitely keeps me warm and I'm excited to see how it handles bad weather. The jacket does come in a second colorway, so maybe you might like that over the black. But let me know your thoughts on the Nike ACG 4th Horseman Puffer Jacket. Do you think it is worth the price I paid? What is your favorite winter jacket? Let me know in the comment section down below, and feel free to ask any questions you may have. Be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and why not catch me on Instagram at edmundokpala. All support is appreciated. Thank you for checking out this video today, and I'll see you in the next one. As always, stay blessed.